everyone, and thank you for visiting my channel. I make videos on a number of beautiful and interesting animals that are found across the world. So, if that's something you're interested in, please click the red subscribe button down below and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing videos. Before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It makes me feel happy so that I can continue to provide interesting content for you. Thank you for taking the time to view the entire video. Goats were one of the first animals that humans tamed and herded 9,000 years ago. Goat meat is the most consumed meat per capita on the planet. Goats can be taught to respond to their names and to come when called. A goat's lifespan is comparable to that of a dog. Goats have a 5-month gestation period, pregnancy, and the average birth rate is 2.2 baby goat per year. Sheep eat grass. This means that they eat mostly grass, plants, and seeds. Ewes are female sheep, and rams are male sheep. Ewes give birth in the spring, and the process is known as lambing. Spring is known as lambing season among farmers. Sheep are precocial animals, which means that lambs can walk almost immediately after birth and join the flock. They rely on their mothers only for the first 4 to 6 months of their lives. Most rams have horns made of keratin. Chickens are farm or domestic birds. A chicken has a life expectancy of 10 to 15 years. The male is bigger and more colorful than the female. This is a common trait in birds. Ducks are significantly smaller than their relatives. They also have shorter necks and wings, as well as a stocky build. Ducks are also known as waterfowl. Except for Antarctica, ducks can be found all over the world. They can't stay there because it's too cold. Ducks have been kept as pets and farm animals for over 500 years. They are inquisitive and friendly animals.